What do you think the purpose of dream is? How many of you have ever had a dream that felt so good that when you woke up, you wished it continued? Huh? Why do you think God shows you those type of things? To sow a seed in your mind about what possibilities lie ahead of you in case you are interested. But guess what? We take the negative dreams more seriously than the positive ones. If you have a negative dream now and you wake up, you will hear prayer. What's wrong? He just woke up. Yeah, he probably had a bad dream. How many times have they seen you pray after you wake up and they say, maybe he had a good dream? If you have a good dream, he'll just be quiet. You know, I had a dream yesterday. Huh? Instead of him to say, in the name of Jesus, I receive it. That thing that you showed me. Actually, God wants to ensure that you take decisions. But he looks at you and says, if only you know the thoughts that I'm thinking towards you. But I've tried to show you glimpses of those thoughts in your dream, but you thought they were dreams. I said, brother, why have you come for deliverance? Pastor, the kind of dreams I've been having these days, they are so terrible. So the terrible ones, you go for deliverance. But you have never gone for affirmation for the good ones. What's your problem? Joseph said, I had a dream. And in that dream, you remember? He said, I saw they were bowing down and all of that story. And I asked myself, when Joseph was relating the story to his brothers, you know, he didn't say who he was. I didn't say who they were. He only told them the story and everybody picked their part. Why didn't Joseph pick the part that he was among those bowing down? Why did he say he was the one they were bowing down to? Do you understand what I'm saying? Do you know how many times you have had a dream and you woke up sweating and running all over the whole place? And they say, what's happening? You say, I saw myself inside a coffin. Why didn't you say, I saw myself nailing somebody into the coffin? Did you get that? He said, no, in that dream, that was what I believed. It started from your conscious and moved into your subconscious. You've been seeing yourself as somebody that can be nailed. You've been seeing yourself as somebody that can be tackled. If you start seeing yourself as a lion in your real life, when you now get into your dream life and they nail somebody, what will come to your mind is, who will nail the lion? Who? What I'm saying is this. Many of the bad dreams you are having, they start because your expectation is already bad. You know, one day God asked Abraham to come out. He said, come out. He said, look at the sky. Can you remember that story? The Lord asked him, what do you see? All of us, when we read that story, you always say Abraham saw stars, right? But actually, it wasn't only stars that were present that night. The truth is this. Anytime you see stars, there are also the dark clouds. Because if it was a bright daylight like in the sun, you will not be able to see the stars. The glory of the sun will outshine them, right? But that night, the dark clouds were there, the stars were there, and God said, Abraham, what do you see? Somebody else could have said, I see dark clouds. But Abraham said, I see bright stars. What do you see?